Hi, hello, welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. It is quite rainy. So this weekend seemed like a really good weekend to do all of those staple indoor New York activities. I had asked in a poll on my community page a couple weeks ago, what would you like to see? Where would you go to stay dry on a rainy weekend in New York? And spoiler alert, I am doing a bunch of those things. So to kick things off, today is Saturday and we will be spending the day at the Museum of Natural History. I have never been before, so we're gonna be heading there in a couple of minutes. Did not bring much rain gear for this trip, so this will be interesting. Luckily, we were only a couple blocks away from the museum, so hopefully we don't get too wet on the walk there. That was insane. It is downpouring. It has just been raining sideways, basically. But that was a great way to spend the afternoon. Everybody else essentially had the exact same idea as us because it was so crowded. And now we are gonna have a quick lunch snack break before we go out again in a bit for dinner. We are actually going to Balthazar tonight, so very excited about that. Gonna have a nice bistro, rainy dinner type of vibe. But other than that, we are just chilling at home. It's been a good day. Been a really solid rainy Saturday so far, so no complaints from me. Okay, it is day 2 of our rainy weekend in New York City, and today we are going to a Broadway show. We are going to see Some Like It Hot, which is the musical adaptation of the movie that was done years ago with Marilyn Monroe. So I'm really excited about it. It seems like a fun show. The music seems really upbeat, big band, so I'm pretty pumped. Fun fact about me, I used to work on Broadway in casting. It was a long time ago, about 10 years ago at this point, but if that's ever something you're interested in learning more about, I'm totally happy to talk about that in a future video. But we are heading out in a couple of minutes. It's downpouring, it is windy, so it's just as miserable outside as it was yesterday. Really hoping we don't get soaking wet before we get into the theater, but we'll see. We are back at the apartment after a very rainy day out and about in the city. It was insane. It was downpouring, it was windy, it was wild. It was truly, truly wild. But we had a great time going to Some Like It Hot. It was seriously such a good show. It was such high energy. It was the perfect show for a matinee on a Sunday. If you go to New York, highly recommend. All in all, I would say a very successful rainy weekend. And now we're just home for the night. I immediately changed into my comfy pajamas and we are just calling it a night. So I think with that, I'm going to end this one here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, definitely feel free to give it the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, especially if you want to follow along on our New York City month-long stay adventure. But yeah, I hope you are having a great day and I will see you in the next one. Bye.